Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with a box opening. The Battle Spirits Saga Dawn of History set. Each box includes a bonus foil card. 12 cards and 1 core card per pack. 24 packs per box. The cores decide our fate. There we go. Just showing off the different stuff on the box, battlespiritssaga.com, and that QR code, but I will put a link in the description as well. No, I don't know anything about this game, and it pisses people off who watch these videos that I don't know everything about everything in the entire world, is what I say to that, because it's fun to open, and I will play the game if I could actually open it. Next time my buddy and I get away for a long weekend like we did previously, and we played 9 different TC, well, we played more than 9, but 9 we had never played before, and I did a review video, so I will do that for Battle Spirits Saga as well, and I have, I think, 10 or 12 other CCGs, yes, I'm insane and stupid, that we will try out, and I will review. So yeah, here's the Battle Spirits Saga. Here is that foil card that they were so happy to tell us about. It's a spirit. When this spirit attacks, all kinds of numbers, and really cool looking back of the card, though, I have to say. I love the kind of texture like this and Gate Ruler, Cardfight Vanguard. I like those a lot. What did I do with Cardfight Vanguard? There it is. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Ignore me like my wife does. Alright, so, I probably should have shown all the packs, but I opened it. Nice anime art. Bandai Namco. There we go. There we go. 68 commons, 32 uncommons, 24 rares, 12 extra rares, 11 special rares, and 1 saga rare. Yeah, okay. So here is the core. You may use this side to show your opponent an amount of cores in cases. Let's see. I don't know what that means, but alright. It'll be fun to play. No smell to these as well. Yeah, see that texturing on there? Or slight texturing, I guess I'll call it. I love that. I think that's beautiful. I wish they would do something like that with some card game and make it glow in the dark. That would be pretty cool. Not for gameplay, of course. Then again, if your card was all black with everything glow in the dark, you probably could play at night. Anyway, shut up, Sean. Flying Turtle. Oh yeah, let's see if there's a common. Okay, so they have the little... Wait, is it a common? Yep. Alright, here we go. Flying Turtle. Automatic Gunner. Nebula Dragon. A lot of wasted space on these cards. Satellite Falcon. Field of the Victor. Giant Poker Chips. Heavy Tank Curiosity. Dark Matter. Volcanic Breed. Is this... Yeah, there's my uncommon. Okay. Yeah, that's uncommon. And another uncommon. Buster. Jeez. Fenrir Cannon. And rare. Raging Dino... Dyrano Rex? Yeah, Dyrano Rex. Sean, shut up. Gosh almighty, I apologize for how bad this video is. Rotting Swamp. Nice foiling. That would be a good, I don't know, sorcery. Contested Realm card. But anyway. Oh, and just noticed different artwork on the covers of the different booster packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I love when games do that because it just shows a little extra care, in my opinion, of course, going a little above and beyond some other games. Hey, good, save that one. We got Dragno Guard. Very nice, thick cards, though, I have to say. Not as thick as Argent Saga, thank you. But good quality cards, that's for sure. Ice Maiden March. Hard to read some of them, though. Dark Knight, Spirit Angel, Ancient Amethyst Palace. Scale of Viper. Royal Potion. Is that... Yep, there's the rare as a Royal Potion Dinosaur Harrier Turbo Rex. That is an extra rare. Cool. Definitely like those foils in this game. Let's keep them separate, like I do, because I do. And can I, without destroying the pack? Why do I save these things? I don't know. Because I'm poor white trash, and that's how I grew up. Devilish Springs. I definitely like all the dinosaur stuff. And then there's Penton Chick. And then there's those little chibi guys. Fairy Blacksmith. Arcane Knight. Select when your opponent's spirits with a wind summon effect. See, that doesn't seem too hard to understand some of this stuff. And it reminds me of Gate Ruler with the numbers in the corner and everything. Rare foil. Another rare. Okay. War Angel Shin Mind Eye Celestial. That is some freaking sweet art. And I like that she's... Is she got the like Justice is Blind kind of thing? It's hard to tell. But I think it looks really cool. And this is a regular core. Okay. So we got 1, a 2. Let's try to... Nope, this pack got shredded. Let's pull the core first. Boa Trickster. Camelot Knight. Pentaceratop. I guess that'd be the 5th horn, technically, in the nose. Chain Viper, sweet. They do have some really cool art. It's too bad there's so much blank space. Regain. Uncommon Ancient Fault. Oh, I love these dinosaurs. This looks like something from Yu-Gi-Oh! Dark Bishop Baculus. And Core Theft. Spirit Discarding. Yeah, this, I don't know, something about this, because I know this game's been around a long time, and is not dead, and is one of those, I think, like Force of Will, that still keeps going. I'm sure it's much larger in Asia. 5 cores. But, I don't know, something about this game tells me it's going to be fun. Werewolf Commando, which you would, oh, that's cool. You would think every game should feel that way, but they don't. Stream Otter, fun, a robotic otter. A robotter! Netherworld Depths. Flower Queen, Marigold. Ice Maiden Mark II is a common, wait a second, so is that my, yep, my rare common foil, and then Dual Gun Mechalord Derm Dyna. SPR. That's pretty cool. Gosh, they all remind me of being a kid growing up watching Robotech so many decades ago. All right, another. Another one of you. Another one of you. This person. Very Zelda Wind Waker look on there. Abandoned Guillotine. Nice. Another one of you, and this is a rare Maccabee's Fortress Nomengard. And ooh, nice foil Blessed Cathedral. It's uncommon, but I love how the Asian or Japanese games, anime-based, whatever you want to call them, are such a good mix of East and West. You know, the Eastern interpretation of... Oh, that one just felt thicker. Their interpretation of... Ooh, Rocket City. European history and King Arthur and knights and stuff like that. I just find it so cool. Head Snow Librarian. I'd like to take out a snowball, please. Find Halberd Dragon Arc. Magic Swordsman Dragonaga. Alright. That looks like, makes me think of Spellfire, some of this art. Yes, I used to play that back in the day. Alright, you go there. These guys I set aside. Alright, I still need this pack to open without... Oh, nope. Core. Boop. Bullet Ray. Commando. Raccoon Guard. Sacred Thundering Peaks. Another Volcanic Canyon. I mean, that's like almost photorealistic, so I do love that. Art-wise. Notable depths. Hey, look. A foil Bullet Ray. After the regular Bullet Ray. Uncommon. So then, does that mean I'm getting like a super rare? No, just extra rare. Well, I shouldn't say just. There's actually a texturing to these too, which is cool. Stormbeast, Emperor, Thunder, Leon. Yeah, it goes from common to uncommon, uncommon. Interesting. Core. King Harold. Woof. Side jaw. I probably could just count the cards and then I'd know which one is going to be the rare, but Snowflakin'. Oh, that's kind of cool. So uncommon arc. Another one. Wait, did I not get a rare in this pack? Sorry for the little aside here while I... Uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. Nope. Odd to not have a rare in the pack. But that's what happens with collectible things. You're never sure what you're going to get. Let's see, does this one... No, they're both shredded. Core, down. White Hole Dragon. Infinity Mothership. There's got to be a Black Hole Dragon, right? Phantom Beast King Lin. Lin. Rare. Someone... Oh, that's cool. Different levels at the... Yep, okay. I'm picking up what they're putting down. I'm smelling what they're selling. A common foil. You. Wait. Cannon Beast Mecha Lyomale. Oh, for a split second. Pentan. Thought I said Hotmail. Dragon Guard. Cornered Flame Regain again. Twilight Dragon Rider Flavum. Flavum Flave! Okay. Fortress Metropolis Nauman City. Okay, here is the rare Beldegor of the Dark World 7. Ooh, wicked art. Use something in trash, one of your... Wow, that's cool. And Bython. Purple. Uncommon foil. Alright, let's see. Can I without destroying the pack? Can I? No! It's always that one. But, foil, or core, yeah, that's what they're called. Emperador. Dark Matter. Earth Spider Demon. And the rare Absolute Ice Shield. Yep. And Fortress Metropolis Nauman City. That's uncommon foil. Core. Phobos Dragoon. Nice. Horned Penguin. That's fun. Core Theft Fairy. Flautist. More Stars Born. Counter Sword. Ashwood. Camelot Knight. Foil Common. Wonderland Alice. Extra rare. When the Spirit Attack. Huh. Alright. Otherlander. Fun little extra rare foil there. Yes, I'm skipping that pack. Why? I don't know why. Core. Hippocampo. Shield Knight. Gardener. I get it. G-U-A-R. Get it? Huh? Oh, how punny. Star Blessing. Uncommon. Another volcanic. Rare is Angel Throne. Nice. And Suppression is the foil. Uncommon. Common. Alright. Ah, wait a second. That was a foil that I thought I saw. That I had missed. Bullet Ray. Foil. That's better. You dupa. Tank Mobile. Looks kind of like Metroplex a little bit. And the rare Flame Emperor Agniphon. Yep, that's a rare. And Volcanic Break. Uncommon foil. Core. Bone Scout. Fun. Carbulk. And Ankylosaur Gaston. My favorite dinosaur, the Ankylosaurus. Flamefish. Fun. Another Regain, and is this common foil? So does that mean this is going to be the extra rare Supernova Dragon Siege Worm Nova? Yep, extra rare. Fun. Poison Mist. Rare is King Snake Quetzalcoatl. And Earth Spider Demon is the foil. It is uncommon. Alright. Two cores. For your score, Horn Grizzly. And make sure it's War Angel Shin, Mind Eye Celestial, and Raging Dino Rex. Foil rare. Alright, let's try you again. Can I? Nope. Core. Ancient Amethyst Palace, that's wicked. And uncommon is the Fortress Metropolis now. And Vajranosaurus, a common foil. Another pack with no rare. It happens, whatever. How about we just use the things on the side here? Hey, look at that. Hey, look at that. Hey, look at that. Save you for love. Core. Alright. This will make it go much faster. Uncommon. Caladrius. Uncommon. Arcana Knight Hex is foil. Uncommon. Dread Knight Nemesis. Foil extra rare. Fun. Dark Lancer Cavalier. Common foil. Infernal King Cursed Dragon. Extra rare. Fun. Twilight Dragon Rider of Flavum again. Poison Mist again. Royal Potion is the rare cornered flamelet foil. Wait. Duh. Soul Core. There we go. Snowflake. Another Snowflake and Uncommon. Sky Dragonlord Platinum. Rare. And Beldegor the Dark World 7. Rare foil. And what am I doing? I don't know. Luckily, this is the last pack in Battle Spirits Saga Dawn of History booster box opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Pandemium of the Dark World 7. Pandemium, rare. And Dark Knight Palamedes is uncommon foil. So there we have it. Battle Spirits Saga Dawn of History booster box. There it goes. Hey, helps when it focuses. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Sorcery Contested Realm. This new kid on the block has the right stuff. Haha. We played with alpha, but I'm pulling some beta out just to show. Here is one of the, just a basic avatar box topper, and some cards showing you. Everybody who watches these videos already knows all about these kind of cards. So we had a lot of fun with this game. It reminded us back of when we started playing Magic back in the early 90s. Here's some fun. I mean, look at that beautiful artwork. Great, great stuff. Ooh. Look at these fun cards. So where is the other one I was looking for? Ooh, another one. Yeah. So anyway, we had a lot of fun. Once we got used to moving the avatars around the grid so we could cast characters, and of course we had to go online and look a few things up. But we had a blast with Sorcery Contested Realm. There's their website. And I definitely recommend this game. And especially if you're old school Magic players like we are, because we, of course, still played our old Magic decks as well, not just the new stuff. So definitely recommend Sorcery Contested Realm. Get it while you can.